So there are 4 words in the sewing world that confuse me personally. I don't know about everyone else, but for me, I have had to go and read and do my thorough research of the difference of these 4 words that I'm going to talk about in today's video. Hello, my name is Fellow and this is Fellow's Haven. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're enjoying your day. Today we're going to be talking about the 4 confusing words in the sewing industry. That is fabric, textile, material, and cloth. That's with fabric. Fabric, this is the finished product, after the processing of weaving, knitting, or bonding. This is what you buy in the store when you actually ready to start sewing, the one that you cut during your projects and everything else. That is what fabric is. And for material now, that is different, because material can be anything. It can be the fabric, it can be the thread, it can be the zip, it can be the button. Those are the materials that you are going to be using in your sewing project. So that is the difference between fabric and material. When we move to textile now, textile, that is an industrial term that is used for any flexible, woven, knitted, and non-woven fibers. Textiles can be fabrics, but fabrics cannot be textiles, because some of the textiles can end up being carpets, can end up being robes, and things like that. So you cannot say a textile can be a fabric, but a fabric can be a textile. So that is the difference between fabric and textile. We move to cloth, the last one. Cloth is a small piece of a fabric. So you cut a fabric and you cut out a cloth from a fabric. So that is just I just found this interesting, that these terms, sometimes when you get into a shop, a fabric store, we interchangeably use them and not using them correctly. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the subscribe button, like, share it with someone. Until next time, take care of each other and take care of yourself.